Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. Today's video is going to be about how to fix Play Store app keeps stopping. The first thing that you need to make sure of is that you have enough space. For that, let's head over to settings on our device, scroll down, hit storage, and make sure that you have at least 2 GB of free space on your device. If not, then you can remove any unnecessary apps, videos, games, or images from your device and try restarting Google Play Store. The other thing that you can do inside settings itself is head over to apps, tap on see all apps, scroll down to find Google Play Store, hit Google Play Store, tap on storage and cache, and then clear the storage and cache of Google Play Store. Similarly, you can also head back over to apps and then clear the storage and cache of Google Play services as well. The other thing that you can try and do is removing and re-adding your Google account. For that, you can head over to the Google app on your device, tap on your profile icon, tap on manage your Google account, tap on your profile, tap on manage accounts on this device, tap on the account, tap on remove account, restart your device and re-log into your account once you open Google Play Store. For any further questions, please feel free to leave a comment down below.